Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking skincare. I'm talking about the Innisfree Orchid skincare range. Innisfree has been researching and uncovering new effects of orchids, and the reason why this range works so well is the amazing orchid flower extract. Apart from the orchid extract, this range also has a natural lifting ingredient derived from oatmeal, and that just holds your skin cells together in a way to give you more supple and firmer skin. So overall, this range has a really good anti-aging effect on the skin. When you use the products together, you will get the benefits of the hydration, the nourishment, and also the lifting properties of all these products working together. The first product I have here is called Orchid Skin, and this is a highly concentrated toner. This is very nourishing. You'll see the texture, it's quite thick, it's not as watery as other toners, so this instantly has a really nice moisturizing, nourishing effect on the skin. This has a natural moisturizing ingredient derived from palm. This also has gel network technology that enhances the skin adherence. It gives you a lot of nourishment and also boosts the resilience of your skin. So this is what you use right after cleansing your skin. The next step is the lotion. This is formulated with highly concentrated Jeju orchid extracts and nourishing ingredients. So this, just like the toner, has immediate hydration, immediate nourishing benefits on your skin. This provides a nice layer of moisture on your skin, and it applies very smoothly without any stickiness. And one of the ingredients here is coconut oil, which we know is solid at room temperature, but once you apply the lotion on your skin, you'll feel it warms up a little, just like how coconut oil liquefies when it's warm. And this is one of the reasons why this feels so nourishing on the skin. The natural lifting ingredient from oatmeal that is present in all these products is very effective against wrinkles and lines. You will notice an immediate effect and also a long-term effect once you use this for about 4 weeks, that is 28 days. Your skin will look plumper, it will be smoother, and the look of lines and wrinkles would be reduced. And since it's the winter, my skin gets a bit dehydrated, a bit dry, I like to use the Orchid Cream after the lotion. This has a really nice creamy texture. I would say it's not as lightweight as a gel, but it's not as heavy as a traditional cream, but it does feel really hydrating. It will make your skin really soft, instantly smooth away any signs of dryness, and your skin is just going to look a lot healthier immediately after application. And then the last step is the eye cream. Now the eye cream is quite rich. Now this has a very traditional thick cream texture, and that's because the eye area is generally quite dry for most people because the skin is really thin, really delicate. I love using this, especially in the night time, because it just feels so nourishing and I wake up with my eyes looking so much fresher. So those are the 4 products from Innisfree that I have been trying out. I think this range is great for winters because it's so nourishing. It also has anti-aging benefits, gives you immediate lifting, resilience, skin that looks healthier, skin that's more supple, and definitely very nourished. The orchid extract also has antioxidant properties. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps in skin tone improvement. So I feel overall this is a range that has multiple benefits, and I think anyone with normal to dry skin, or even skin that's a bit combination, a bit dehydrated like mine, can give this a try. You can get all of these products from purple.com. I'm going to put the links as well as the offers you can avail right now in the description box below. And that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.